Hey, so today we're going to go step by step creating our free plan blog on WordPress. So first step is picking that theme. I chose Collinear, which is a free theme, and I chose it because it is quite user friendly and it looks nice. Now that we have that, I headed over to Pixabay where you can get free images. If you're starting out, this is a great place where you can search a keyword and find the image that you want. And Canva, this is also another free platform where you can create your logo as well as posts, even thumbnails as well. After, I headed over to Instagram and created an account for my blog. And now, as you can see, I'm just copy and pasting the work I did on Google document to my WordPress so it can convert into a post. On the side here, as you can see, is where I'm creating the menu. So I added it as a category. So this category is going to be side hustles. I ticked the box, I updated it, so the post is linked to that category. And now it's time to add that category to the menu. As you can see, it's pretty easy, just add new item and then add it, and now it's displayed. I'm going to do the same for all the other posts. So here, as you can see, normally if you are on the free plan, the size of the title and the tagline is rather small, as I was able to see when I clicked the display box. So what I did was I screenshot that, took it over to Canva and got my logo and created an image out of everything, and then uploaded it within the main site as a logo so it appeared bigger. This is a great trick if you don't want to upgrade but you want to make your title, logo and tagline pop on the page. A useful feature on this plan is the widget. Here is where you can create a lot of interesting stuff on your main page. So here, as you can see, I've added the sidebar on the right hand side. So you can add search, recent comments, your social media platforms, and various things that could allow people to stay on the page and interact with your blog a bit more, and so they can see what's going on without having to search for it. Overall, that's all we have for this video. If you guys have any questions, please fire away in the comment section. And for now, I would like to wish you all the best with your blog and website.